What's up guys, a Samsung Galaxy A52 5G launch nears because the FCC certification has just been arrived. The Galaxy A52 5G is one of the Samsung most anticipated phone, and this particular series has always done very well for Samsung, particularly in emerging markets. Naturally, there is a lot of excitement about the 2021 model. Details about the handset have gradually been trickling in over the past few months, with the device now clearing its FCC certification process, and we can recently show that the Galaxy A52 5G launch isn't far away. So the two models of Galaxy A52 with 4G and 5G variants are coming, and the 4G and 5G variants of Galaxy A52 has been receiving their Bluetooth and Wi-Fi certification last month. These documents has revealed that the device would come with Android 11 out of the box, and they may also ship with One UI 3.1. Now the FCC certification has also been guaranteed to the Galaxy A52 5G. It's major indication that the time isn't far away when Samsung will be unveiling this device. Earlier report has indicated that the Galaxy A52 5G will feature a Snapdragon 750G processor. The 4G variant will have a Snapdragon 720G. Some CAD renders of the device has been leaked online, and they suggest that Samsung Galaxy A52 will have a 6.5-inch of Super AMOLED Infinity O display, a quad camera setup at the back, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. And in my personal opinion, if Samsung add a 90Hz of refresh rate, it is going to be an icing on the cake. There is no word as yet when Samsung plans on launching the Galaxy A52 5G, and with the Samsung S21 launch out of the way now, it may not long before Samsung latest A series handset are going to be unveiling. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this new device in the comment section below, and if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.